How many tabs do you have open right now? ChatGPT for writing, Grammarly for editing, Google for research, Canva for images. What if I told you ClickUp's AI Writing Assistant replaces all of these and actually understands your work context? Hi, this is Aryan Shastogi and this is part 3 of the ClickUp AI series. Today, I'm showing you why businesses are ditching the entire AI tool stack for one intelligent solution. So let's see its capabilities one by one. Number one is everything in one place. So you can do everything within ClickUp. You don't have to hop into other tools. You never leave ClickUp. Need a product launch strategy? Done. Client email generated. Project documentation complete. Marketing copy finished. We can create completely different content types without switching tools, without losing context, and without copying and pasting between applications. This is how modern businesses should actually work. Number 2 is choose your AI model. So here is what most people don't know. You can choose any AI model right here. GPT-4o for strategy, Claude for analysis, Gemini for research. Pick the best AI for your specific task. One interface, every major AI model. No more juggling subscriptions or remembering which tool does what best. Number 3, research without leaving. So, need current market data, competitor information, industry trends. The AI searches the web for you and pulls results directly into your content. No more opening browser tabs, no more manual research. AI does the heavy lifting and integrates findings seamlessly into your writing. So number 4 is generate visuals instantly. So you need images for your presentation, generate them instantly. No more stock photo hunting, no more design tool switching. Professional visuals created on demand, perfectly matched to your content. Number 5, context aware intelligence. But here is the real magic. This AI knows your work context. It understands your projects, your team, your company goals. So every piece of content is relevant and actionable because it knows what you are actually working on. Number 6, from content to action. The final feature showcases ClickUp AI's smart task handling capabilities that go beyond simple automation. So the current capabilities include the following. Number 1, AI task creation. Generate detailed tasks from conversations, documents, or voice clips. Number 2, smart subtask generation. So break down tasks into smaller manageable subtasks automatically. Number 3, task assignment assistance. So AI can suggest task assignments based on team member expertise and availability. I am going to show you through a product launch management how this AI writing assistant can be helpful and productive for you. Okay, so let's try to understand from a product launch of a particular beverage product that how many of the things are possible within ClickUp, right? So AI writing assistant can help you a lot in different ways, and you don't have to hop on to other tools. A lot of your things would be possible within ClickUp, and a lot of your effort and time could be saved through that. I'm taking this as one of the examples so that I can show you different features within ClickUp, different AI writing assistant features, obviously, and how a team can interact with each other in the best way possible and how it can save the time. Okay, so I will be showing different features to this. So let's go one by one. Okay, so let's say this is the product launch of a Orgi Flow. Okay, it's a beverage product, organic. Okay, so let's try to see what all can be done within ClickUp. Okay, so let's say, okay, I will write like that. I'm gonna create a product launch strategy for the for Agri Flow. The product details are as follows. Okay, so Agri Flow is a premium 100% organic. Okay, target audience we have given, and this is the only thing which we have. Okay, we don't have anything else. And according to this, we want to create the complete product launch strategy and work with the team on this. Okay, so okay, let's see what it generates. So it has given the pre-launch phase, post-launch phase, right?
another matrix for success. So let's say we insert this below. Okay. And so this is the pre-launch phase. Like we are going with the market research and the brand awareness campaign, then influencer partnerships and website and social media partnerships, right? So let's say we want to improve this or maybe simplify this for a team. Okay, so this particular part. Okay, so we'll simply go there and there. Let's see the options here. You want to improve this particular part. Okay, let's say you have written something by yourself. You want to fix the spellings, right? You want to make it a little long or a little short. Let's say you want to simplify this a little. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so use surveys and focus groups to learn more about consumer preferences and improve messaging. So it has simplified whatever it has written before, right? So it's super useful. A lot of other things can is also possible. Let's say we want to replace this. It has replaced, okay, this particular part. Okay. Now let's say we want to this particular part. I think let's say we like, okay, the launch event. I think in the launch phase, this particular thing is okay. Then retail partnerships, promotion offer, digital marketing. And let's say we want to do a little more, right? Not just this, and we want to see other options as well. Okay, so we will simply go here and we will see, let's say continue writing. Okay, so what it will do is it will add on to the things which are already there. Okay, so it already knows that. So it will simply, you can simply insert that below. And if you want a particular thing, then that is fine. If you don't want a particular thing, and then you can simply remove a particular part, right? So yeah, so a lot of things is possible within ClickUp. Okay, so let's say translate let's say a particular part. Okay, let's say a particular part or maybe the complete thing. Okay, I'm just showing you one of the things. Maybe your client is French, or maybe and you want to translate whatever you have written, or maybe your team has like two or three French people, right? So let's say you want to translate it into that particular part so that everybody can understand it, right? So we will simply go here. I will go to translate and we'll simply say translate to French. Okay, so it will translate this particular thing to French. Okay, and you can simply insert it below. Okay, so that everybody can understand like what is written over here. Okay, obviously you can separate out these things. And there are a lot of other things, a lot of ways to do these things, obviously. But I'm just telling you how, like, what all is possible here, right? You can basically completely translate all these things to French also. Okay, so it's up to you. What do you want to do? Now, let's say you want to, after this, you want to convert a particular part to some action items. Okay, so let's say this particular part, right? Let's say you want to convert into action items, right? So you can simply come here and generate action items from this. Okay, you can insert it below, and let's say you these are the action items, right? And you can simply go and you can create a task from here itself into the particular list. You can create the completely new list. It's up to you. So like a lot of things are possible. Obviously, you can assign it to the people here also, right? Assign it, prioritize it, and then schedule it. There are a lot of things that is possible within this. Okay, so it's completely up to you what do you want to do. Okay, so yeah, so okay, so you want to basically search different products which are like Orgiflow, which is completely organic and natural kind of beverage with no artificial preservatives. Okay, so let's try to search it everything over here itself. ClickUp gives a lot of functions within ClickUp AI function, so you can search it from here itself. Let's say we want to search. Let's say I have the prompt. Okay, so can you search few of the successful organic and natural juice brands like the following product which are present globally and not present in India? Okay, and Orgiflow is this particular product, right? Which we have, which the client has already given us, right? We can simply search everything over here. Let us search the web and try to find what all is possible. Okay, so it has given few of the successful brands, okay, which are like obviously Orgiflow. So see, so the juice, Plenish, Presbytery, Antidote. Okay, and let's say if we create this competitive analysis, we will be able to understand what all we can also do. Okay, and it can create a kind of a reference for our team. Okay, so let's say, can you help me create a competitive analysis for these brands? Okay, so let it create that. Research the web, do the research. Okay. Okay, so here is the competitive analysis. So it has given about soja juice, product offerings, USP, target audience, pricing, distribution. So you can just you can see, right, there are a lot of things it is giving as a competitive analysis, and it can really be useful because the people, now the team would know that what all brands are like our brand, and and we can obviously do more research on a particular product, right? So let's say, because this is highly beneficial, we would like to copy this, or maybe create a doc from here itself, and maybe create something at the bottom for our team reference products. Okay, let it create. Okay, and we can simply copy paste this, and this can act as a really good reference for our team. When they are searching for the products like our own product, right? That we are doing the product launch for. So I think it can be truly beneficial now. Okay, so we have added this here. And let's say we want to create an image so that the team can understand it a little more, because graphical thing generally helps a lot, right? Okay, so let's try to create an image for this product launch strategy. Okay, try to create an image for this product launch strategy. But if we try to create the image directly, directly it will not be able to create a really good image. But let's try to create a prompt for creating the product launch strategy for this product. So if you can see here, so these are different models here, right? You can use any of the models. So that is also one of the benefits. You don't have to opt into other models or other apps. You can simply select it from here. Let's say we're taking Gemini 2.5 Pro, and let's try to create a prompt for creating the image for product launch strategy. Okay, so we have a prompt for creating launch strategy for product launch strategy. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, let's see what prompt it generates. Let it generate the prompt for creating the image. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so this is the prompt. Okay, alternative prompts are also given. Let's try to take this one. Okay, and let it create an image. Please. Okay, so it's creating the image now. Let's see what kind of image it creates. Okay, so let's see. So this is the image it has created. So this is, you can see the image, right? It looks so good. We can download the image. We can simply use it. So this image is added. I think it gives a true feeling that what the product is about. After looking into the image, the people would be able to understand better. I think so. So that's why we have put up this. Let's try to do one more thing. So let's try to create the subtask within this. So let's say for this product launch, let's say we want let AI create all the subtasks. We will look into that and see if we want to remove anything or add anything. It can do a lot of things, obviously. So let's say these kind of subtasks are generated for the product launch, connect market research, run teaser campaign, right? On website, let's say we don't like few of them, and according to our understanding, these kind of subtasks would definitely help in the product launch, right? So obviously we have not done anything. Now we can add a lot of things from here itself. It will definitely be useful to plan the product launch, right? And you can assign the people from here. A lot of things can be done, right? Create the complete strategy. Okay, we can search to different models here. We can improve the writing. We can translate the things. We can not hopped into the other tools. We have done everything within ClickUp. Okay, so this is highly beneficial.
ClickUp AI voice and video clips. Are you tired of typing long project updates and losing important details from team meetings? ClickUp's AI voice and video clips just made team communication 10 times more efficient, and nothing actually gets forgotten or lost. So let's start. Voice clips instant communication. So you can record voice clips directly in task comments. No separate apps needed here. Give project updates, share feedback, or explain complex ideas in seconds instead of typing the complete paragraph. Next one is video clips visual communication. Do you need to show something to your team? You can record your screen with audio to demonstrate features, provide feedback, or walk through the processes. Every video gets AI generated titles and searchable transcripts. Your team can jump to specific moments, leave time-stamped comments, and never miss important details. Next one is AI turns conversations into actions. So here is the game changer. AI extracts action items from your recordings and can convert them into tasks automatically. Say we need to update the homepage by Friday in a voice clip, and AI creates a task with deadline. Your conversations become instant project progress.
Let's think from a from the project management perspective. Okay, so let's see, we have created this I've created this product launch, and we want the complete team to work on this from tomorrow itself. I want to send a message. Okay, so let's say we can type it, or maybe here you can send the voice clip. Okay, so hi team, so this is the product launch strategy for Orgiflow. We have just received it from our client, and we have only 1 week's time to basically brainstorm and provide the complete strategy, complete implementation. So go through this, and if you have any doubt, obviously start posting here itself. In case you have any kind of updates, or in case you want to add anything on top of this, we will circle back tomorrow. Okay. I think if okay, we can assign this to particular team member, or we can send it to the complete team. All the people will receive the message. There are other things also. Okay, so if you see here, let's say this is a 41 second. Maybe we have sent it, let's say 3 or 4 minute message. The people can see the transcript here. They can check what all was said. Okay, the team has received a product launch strategy for Orgiflow from the client and has only 1 week, are encouraged to review action item, review the product launch strategy, post any questions, updates, or suggestions in the thread, prepare for a follow-up discussion tomorrow. Okay, in a way, it helps a lot because it saves a lot of time. When there's a lot of to and fro, it's definitely helps a lot. So this is also one thing. We can obviously assign the comment from here. We can create a task out of this. We can create a subtask with AI from this particular comment or particular voice clip. So it's like a lot of communication for a particular task has been concentrated here, and it is very easy to do so now because of all the AI help that is out there within ClickUp. So this was voice clip. Okay, let me now show you one more thing. Let's say we want to give a simple, let's say 20-30 second demo so that all the people can understand really what actually happened, because maybe nobody had the clue, right? So let me just show. Maybe this is not very complex, but let's say a very complex thing is there. Okay, so you can create a video clip. Okay, so let's say for this current tab. So this is the product launch strategy for Orgiflow. We have just received it from our client. So I'm just going to explain you what all happened till now. We've created this strategy. We've taken a lot of AI help through this. So all the team members are requested to go through. So this is a pre-launch phase, then the launch phase, and obviously then the post-launch phases are there. Then these few things I really want you to really see, all the team members basically, that these are the reference products which are there, and a few of the really fine products which are like our product. I will suggest every team member to basically research on this particular thing, and then basically before tomorrow's call come up with suggestions of your own. And plus I have created few subtasks. In case you have any doubt on this, you can ask on the call itself. Okay, so this video clip is generated now. Okay, so so all the team members who are basically attached to this particular task would receive this message. They can simply come here, see this video clip, everything would be, they would be able to understand everything. So it's not like we I have to send the message separately to each one of them, and nobody knows about this, right? But after seeing this video clip, they would be able to understand what happened, what did I do up till now, and what they should be ready for. And visually, they are able to understand all this, right? So this is highly beneficial. Now, obviously, you can create the same thing like that, right? You can create the task along with this video clip, and obviously, it will highly be beneficial. So the AI writing assistant and this the voice clip, video clip helps the team to basically really optimize their own work and save a lot of their times. The team becomes really product after using all these features within ClickUp.
This is exactly why businesses are replacing entire software stacks with ClickUp AI. You just saw AI writing that knows your work context, voice recordings that become instant tasks, and complete project management automation all in one platform. While your competitors juggle multiple tools and lose information in scattered systems, you are running systematic operations that scale without chaos. So, are you ready to transform your business with AI powered workflows like this? So here comes the end of ClickUp AI series. Here is what sets ClickUp AI apart. While other AI tools give you generic responses, ClickUp AI knows your deadlines, your team's workload, your project history, and your company's processes. You can use all this AI in one platform. It's not just artificial intelligence, it's your intelligence actually amplified. The companies that can embrace contextual AI like ClickUp's can operate at 4 to 5 times of the speeds. The question is not whether AI will transform work management, it's whether you will be the team that moves at AI speed or the one still manually tracking progress in spreadsheets. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the notification bell because I break down the latest productivity, AI and automation strategies every single week. And if you want help implementing ClickUp AI in your business with proper systems and processes, check out the link in the description. We will be happy to help you. The age of AI powered work management is here. Time to really embrace it. See you in the next video, and until then, stay productive.